This one is called Poetic Play. It's talking about what I've been through with my girlfriend.
Mario got your back.
Poetic play, we were perfect and fine. I was the guy you would give up your life. Look in your eyes, almost made you my wife. Falling and sleep wasn't wise, didn't care for no rumors. The talking was rubbish. We started this land talking sippish and ippish. Everyday love was adventure. I got my hand right on the scripture. Jealousy came but what make you secure? You get one tell me cause it was a cure. You were there testifying, you I had it on lock. We started from nothing, now look at the clock. Couple of times I was fighting with you. Having that watch, never lay hands on you. Time I was bleeding, I wish you were there, but I knew that you care, or just maybe you scared. I wasn't perfect, I know that is me. You wasn't perfect either, let's be real. We took imperfection and better our vision. Every day we on a mission, fronting and kissing and fussing. Next day we laying, watching, moving, chilling. How are we having this issue over groupie? You were so close and I told you don't worry, we end up broken. I wasn't perfect, I told you that. All of a sudden you disappear. Now you are hanging with enemies. When we were fucking, you hated it. What's all the stories, poetic play? Trying to sleep with the heartless heart like fuck that, I'm done. Next day I'm not. Still got a key so that feeling go what? Still got some witches I wish that I made. Still got some questions they probably late. You got some witches you wish that you made. Always about oh my god why you mad? Never about what the reason you sad. You call me the devil, what took me to hell? Hiding the truth so nobody can tell. Time we were the one on the one. If I was bad then the starting was wrong. Time we were weak together we were strong. You shut the door so I'm taking the lead. In love for success, don't care if they bleed. Grind me a river, a boat took me through. Same day that bigs that you sent me a text wasn't pretty. Good as shit can be, but fame took the fate. Calling me fake cause you just lose your faith. I know. Good as it can be, but fame took the faith. Calling me fake cause you just lose your faith. I know. Bottles of me, I'm chasing the pitch at the sea. I'm fighting feelings with no limb. My feelings are where you're my sleeves. I'm taking this path all alone. No fighting for past when I'm gone. The problems are where you're my feet. So steady, I am on my feet, no fall. Been through the falling with you. Reason I can't erase memories too.
I know.
Fighting love and breaking fingers, mouth is still no linking, no connection. I know. Been through the falling with you. Reason I can't erase memories too.
I know.
Fighting love and breaking fingers, mouth is still no linking, no connection. I know. No connection. I know. That's poetic play. Thanks. Mistakes. Mind getting wasted, I kinda drunk a lot. My life was like a test and I didn't study for. Mistakes that I made didn't patronize my faith. Been trying to storm the yard, yes I got my faith. Yes I made some couple falls, reason why I bear the war. If they never lie, you will never have to cry. You know my past, all I wanted was to see us fly. I got a dog on you, but that was a scenery. I kind of felt bad, same time it made me strong. Talk about me on Facebook, they got it wrong. People liking that, same people who were praising us. Hypocrisy every day, man, that live among us. Sorry to my fans if I disappointed you. Families and friends, but I did stay true. Sorry to my fans if I disrespected you. Waking up, poker face like I'm used to, I'm a human. As a human, we're living to make mistakes. And the journey that I'm taking, decisions I'm to take. See this was are getting closer and closer, I gotta go. And my dreams are getting further and further, I gotta go. I'm a human, as a human, we're living to make mistakes. And the journey that I'm taking, decisions I'm to take. See this was are getting closer and closer, I gotta go. And my dreams are getting further and further, I gotta go. Check. When I wake up, man, was hell. Real homies recognize, real they could tell. When I came to this city, man, I did some couple shit. Popping molly in the club, let the pain became a wash. Next day, waking up on another bed. And that bed that was slept was another's bed. And that's a mess, and I wish I could get it clean. My way to redemption seems to be a better day. With all these people hating, it's getting kind of nasty. My imperfection is the reason why they keep judging. Why they keep judging. Yeah, I'm a human, as a human we live into many mistakes. Any journey that I'm taking, decisions I'm meant to take. See, these words are getting closer, one closer, I gotta go. Dreams are getting further, one further, I gotta go. I'm a human, as a human we live into make mistakes. Any journey that I'm taking, decisions I'm meant to take. That was mistakes. That was my mistakes. We tried to do it with the piano. Shout out to Aaron. And check my mixtape, Dap on My Haters. Tomorrow, Freeze Festival, we're gonna blow it off.